Angela, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay. Hi, this is Larry. I called a few times about the police break-in.
Yes, Larry, I remember. You know, if no one's called you, then we might not be interested in your story.
Wow, you don't think that's something the public would, you don't think that's something that should be, public information right now, like on the news?
I mean, I'm not saying it's not public information, just as of right now, we're not able to do your story.
Wow, okay. Okay, well, I guess I have to take that as that.
I still have your name and your information, and if there's any change if we're able to do it, we'll definitely give you a call, okay?
Yeah. Holy smokes, this is crazy. That's like some Illuminati stuff. I'm sorry? Bitch, you heard me.
I can't take your story. So wait, you telling me y'all got seasonal stories?